Hello guys, today I'm going to show you reason why your website is not ranking, why your blog page is not ranking. Not just showing you the reason why your website is not ranking, I'm also going to tell you how to fix those problems. So if you're having an issue in terms of ranking your website and your website is not ranking in Google search, I have a simple method and a simple error that is causing that issue. So I'm going to tell you how to fix those errors and tackle it one after the other, and most of the error are going to refer to some of my video you need to watch to follow them one by one, step by step, to fix those error. You will start seeing your website ranking and getting traffic and sales. So if you're new in this channel, subscribe and turn the notification bell. Once I update anything concerning this, you will get notification. So let's move to the first issue why your website is not ranking. Okay, most of you are kind of sorry to use the word novice in terms of keyword research. So in terms of keyword, the first thing that can cause your website not to rank is your keyword, and keyword is missing in your web page. If you want to rank a web page about make money, you need to give a clear vision to Google that you're talking about how to make money online. You don't need to write content that don't relate to make money online and you expect to rank in make money category. So in each searching keyword, they have a particular category content that define what users are looking for. So in that case, to consider optimizing for keyword in most of your content, the keywords you are targeting is missing. Let me show you an example of what you need to know about when your keyword is missing, and if you have an issue of why your website is not ranking, still under the point of what keyword are missing. So in most cases, some of you don't really add the keyword you are targeting to H1. This is H1, so I'm going to take my time to show you this is H1 and why this one is H2. The first paragraph should be your H2. Let me bold it now. This is your H2. Your H2 comes with the introduction of the content and also introduce the keyword you are targeting. So in that case, if you understand here how to make money online, do you want to learn how to make money online? This is also like a question and also as a keyword that I'm targeting appearing on the first paragraph. So consider putting the keyword you are targeting in your H1. Let it be in the H1. The second one, let it be inside the URL you are targeting. The keyword should be in the permalink. So if it's the back end of your website, it's called permalink, but if it's in the front page, it's called blog URL. So consider you put the keyword you are targeting in your blog URL, and also it should come before the first paragraph, which is the H2. Make sure the introduction of your content or greeting the audience that you're going to show them, also mention the keyword you are going to show them, also mention the particular product you want to show them. So it's very easy. It's going to be very easy for Google Bot to understand the mode of your content and what your content is all about. So consider using H1, the keyword in the H1, H2, and the permalink, which is the URL, and also put the keyword in subtitles. So in cases if you mention sell your photos online, if you're a photographer, make sure you kind of give instance telling them still mention the related keyword, not just making money online only. There are some keywords that relate to make money, so make sure you mention those keywords inside your content, still referring to making money online. The second issue why your website is not ranking, again, let's move to the second issue, is bad or duplicate content. This is the very kind of common issue some beginners, permit me to use this word, some of our beginners, somebody like me, we normally do the mistake in terms of bad content. We do keyword surfing. We use the keyword we are targeting. Let's say for example, I'm targeting make money online. I'll mention make money online here and mention make money online more than 5 times in one paragraph. This is going to cause issue and Google is going to lose trust, and Google is going to be seeing your website as a spamming website. So consider using, instead of you to mention the keyword you are targeting, look for related keyword about how to make money. Let's say for example, if you type make money, how to make money online, which is the keyword I'm targeting, how to make money online in 2021, and I can also go here. Let me just take your time, don't skip this video, watch it to the end so you can be able to learn what is really working and why your website is not ranking. If you are into any niche at all, you need to consider the kind of content you pull out there and how you place your keywords and how you do optimize your content. Let your web page describe what you want. Let your web page give instance to Google that this web page is meant for cat, dog, or maybe real estate business. So this is just like a clear vision, and let it be in a format you're not targeting the short tail keyword. Target the long tail keyword that have to do with solutions that is going to help the users to get what they want, because the short tail keyword, real estate, can be more competitive, but looking for a long tail keyword to how to start real estate business in 2021 is going to be something that is going to define to Google that you are trying to write long tail keyword, and also is low competition and easy for you to rank immediately and start building up email list. If you check most of my video, I said you should consider putting a pop-up notification to allow users to subscribe to your website so you can be able to have a return user at the end of the day. So let's scroll down and see the suggested keyword under make money online. So instead of you repeating make money online 2021, there are some related keyword you are going to mention how to make money online without paying anything. So instead of you repeating this multiple keyword how to make money online, you can also mention related keyword inside the first paragraph and use some of them to tweak it and put in your first H2. Is very important, and make sure your description have the targeted keyword you are targeting. Okay, have the targeted keyword. So in the third one we need to go for is for you to build links. I've stated many, if you are my subscriber, building backlinks should not be your issue right now, because I've already released a lot of videos that have to do with backlink, how to create backlink, the right backlink to build, and also I've mentioned tons of backlink and I've shared free backlink on this channel. So if you're my subscriber, you're not losing in this part. So consider, if you're finding it hard in terms of creating content, you can also check some of my recent video. I'm going to link it below the description of this video so you can be able to get your way out to fix this error, because most of them have already created content, which is the keyword suffering, keyword placement, keyword research. I've already do a lot of video on these topics that you're going to use to improve your website ranking and also start making money online. So in that case, backlink, in most time maybe you have a content and the content is well optimized, but quality backlinks are not pointing to your web page. So consider building a quality backlink to your content, quality backlink to your landing page, any page you want to rank, provided you have the right content and well optimized content. Consider building what? Backlink. You can also earn backlink when your content is well optimized. Okay, you can get referral backlink. People can link to your website referring to their user that have this particular website, have what? The full details of what they really need. Building backlink not just have to be another website. You can do internal linking. I said something earlier on before on my previous video. I said when a web page in your website is receiving higher traffic than other pages, link that one that have higher traffic to the one that have low traffic. Is also the pattern of what? Backlink. So the people that is coming to the higher website page that have higher traffic is reading the content. They can easily navigate to the internal linking you push to the same page. Internal linking happen within your website. So link the low high traffic web page in your website to the low web page in your website. It's going to improve the SEO, not just the SEO, the link juice, and also you're going to make sure that most of the user that is coming to that higher traffic page is going to also consider going to the low traffic page if the content is very valuable. So another thing to consider again in the fourth one is the fourth one, sorry, is bad link. Most of you are creating backlink in a page or in a website Google have already penalized. In most cases, if Google have already notice a website is a spamming website and it still links to your own website, it's going to affect you what? Your ranking. Is also going to affect your ranking. So consider getting backlink in a good page. So bad link can cause low ranking. Bad link can hurt your website from what? Ranking. So we consider building nice backlink and consider removing toxic backlink from your web page, because those backlinks that have toxic can also affect your website. So if you are getting backlink from a site Google have already is going against Google guideline and is linking to your own web page, is going to cause issues. So consider removing bad links in your web page. Go through your web page, remove it. Although the disclaimer here is that SEO, once you are following my YouTube channel and you're implementing what I'm doing, please have patience. SEO take a couple of months to start showing up. Once you know how to do your keyword research, you have built your links, take risks, you can also start a new project, or you give yourself a break and come back in next few months, a couple of months, you will see improvement in your SEO ranking. The fifth one is mobile friendly. A lot of you ignore this. Most of the user that is coming to our website are mostly from mobile, not desktop. So most of the users are coming directly from mobile. So consider optimizing your mobile very well and reduce the amount of CSS you are using. Most time I check something when I was talking about how to get Google AdSense approval. I mentioned something earlier. I said most of you are using theme that is blocking Google ports not to index your web page. In that aspect, I also text using mobile friendly text, which is free tools from Google, to text if a particular web page is friendly and end up not being friendly, because a lot of CSS was blocking Google not to dictate the quality of the website, and most of the CSS and JavaScript is avoiding to make Google not to index most of the important web page. So consider optimizing your mobile friendly. So consider your focus in 2021 to evergreen should be your mobile friendly, which is the tablets, phones. People are using their mobile phone to come to your website. It's few or couple of people can use desktop. In most cases, if you are doing it for brand purpose, you can also brand desktop different and mobile different. But in that case, I can be able to tell you to focus more on optimizing your mobile. This is where Google are rewarding site owners. So let me show you what I mean by mobile friendly. So once you have a website, you just use the word, go here. Okay, let me copy mobile friendly. So I'm going to copy it now and paste it here. Mobile friendly text. So mobile friendly text is a free tool from Google Console, which is Google for Google Webmaster. So let's say, for example, let me copy the URL of this website, which is this website I'm using for example, and paste it here. This is some reason why your website is not ranking, and it's going to analyze to tell me if this web page is mobile friendly, and if there is any CSS code that is blocking Google for any purpose. This tools is going to tell me that is a particular web page, and they're going to state the URL and that particular web page. So I would advise you, when you are building a brand or when you are trying to get user at the first time, please use a simple template that have to be mobile friendly. Forget about design, forget about customize, but do something that have to go with Google guideline. So if you know how to use AMP, you can check other YouTube channel to get more details on how to use AMP. But for me, I think using AMP is kind of a lot of stressful, because if you make any single mistake or delete any web page, it's also going to affect your website. So I will tell you to have your time to get a nice mobile friendly theme that is going to correspond with Google. And if you see here, I think Google is telling me that my page have loading issue, and this is what I'm trying to tell you. These tools, these free tools, these online tools, which is made by Google for webmasters, is also going to dictate any other error. If the web page is friendly, it's friendly, but the speed loading have issue. So you can be able to consider to optimize your images and optimize the type of image you are using. I would advise you to use a format image of JPEG, not PNG. PNG have a kind of high kilobyte. So use JPEG, and also compress JPEG with online tools. So it's going to help the website to load speed. And I said something before I talk about mobile friendly. Reduce the CSS, unuse CSS and unuse JavaScript, and render block. So in that case, let's click to see something that page is not loading that. Okay, so you can easily optimize the page. You can even go to texting website to text why the website is loading issue. It says loading issue. I can easily take my time and know the reason why this website is loading very slow and optimize it. If it's theme, I remove the theme and use normal theme. Once I build brand, I can come back to any theme or consult any SEO expert in terms of web development to develop a well mobile friendly theme that is going to be very easy to load. So consider using a mobile friendly theme. And you understand what I just said earlier. I said something why your website is not ranking. I state some facts, and on which I'm going to link the videos that is going to solve these issues of why your website is not ranking and how to fix them one after the other. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a wonderful day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. And we have only just 500 people to complete 2,000 subscribers. If you do that, it's going to help me. The easy way to do that is to share my content, smash the like button, comment on my YouTube channel. It's going to make it go more viral so people can easily notice my website, because once you like, the YouTube algorithm is going to boost my YouTube video to other users, to recommend it to another people that is looking for this particular solution to help them to boost their traffic and what ranking in 2021, which is just XU. So consider liking the video, sharing it to any blogging groups to help me get more subscribers so I can be able to drop more useful content for you guys. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.